Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Shailaja Dhumal, your literacy teacher. Children, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Now children, today we are going to learn one new content which is from phonics skill book. Okay, so take your phonics skill book. Yes, so children, so far we have learned this individual letter sounds and vowels. In that vowels we have learned short words and long words. Yes, afterwards double letter words. Yes, long sound words. Blending जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, blending माने 3 letter words and 4 letter words, which is short vowel sound, short vocabularies and long vocabularies. Okay, so afterward double letter words we have learned, rhyming words we have learned. Yes, so today we are going to learn a very interesting content and very important content which is digraph. What? Digraph. Now what is the meaning of digraph? Digraph का मतलब क्या है? Okay, a digraph is 2 letter sound. A digraph is 2 letter sound that make one sound. A digraph is 2 letter sound which make one sound. ये जो digraph है इसमें 2 लेटर्स होते हैं. ओके, तो इस 2 लेटर्स को बना के 2 लेटर्स के संयोग से जो एक स्वर बनता है उसको हम डाइग्राफ बोलते हैं. ओके, डाइग्राफ में 2 अक्षर होते हैं, 2 लेटर्स होते हैं. उस 2 लेटर्स के जो उस 2 लेटर के संयोग से जो एक स्वर बनता है उसको हम डाइग्राफ बोलते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स ऑफ डाइग्राफ? Okay, so swara बनता है but it doesn't mean that only we are getting vowel vocabularies. No, in digraph vowels and consonants vocabulary words can be made up. Okay, now children, what are those digraph vocabularies or what are the digraph words? Okay, we'll see that. Children, in this digraph consonants and vowels both the words can be made up. Now which are digraph words? अभी ये digraph words कौन से हैं? Okay, see, can you see these vocabularies? Okay, B R. Okay, B R. If you will see children, इसका हम लोग अगर अलग अलग से साउंड करें तो क्या होगा? ब र र. इसको हम लोग अगर अलग साउंड करें, if we are going to sound in a different letter, then it will be b r, b r. But as I told you, the digraph is, what is the meaning of digraph? digraph में जो 2 letters है, जो 2 लेटर के संयोग से जो एक स्वर बनता है उसको हम डाइग्राफ बोलते हैं. इन डाइग्राफ 2 लेटर्स आर देयर, विच साउंड वी गॉट वी कॉल इट एज एन डाइग्राफ. ओके, सो ब र, ब र, ब र. यस, बट इफ विल से इट इन टुगेदर दिस विल साउंड bra. Together this will sound bra. What? Bra, bra. So this is called digraph. What? जिसको हम लोग blending बोलते हैं, digraph words बोलते हैं. Okay, so these are the examples. आप अगर इस examples में देखते हो, if you will see, all these vocabularies are starting with bra. डाइग्राफ से स्टार्ट होते हैं ये वर्ड्स. ओके, एग्जाम्पल BROOM, ब्रूम. पहले तो आप एक चीज दिमाग में याद रखिए कि इसके जो साउंड है, दीज आर द डिफरेंट साउंड. ओके, वी हैव लर्न दिस इंडिविजुअल साउंड्स, वी हैव लर्न A to Z, अ ब क ड ए, राइट? सो ब र. Okay, these are the different individual sounds and together if we'll sound then it will be br. So this is called digraph. So in digraph br, cr, sl, dr. Like these words we are going to learn. Okay, now this is the example of br. Together this will come br, br, like this. Okay, and the sound will be br. Okay, so these are the vocabularies. BROOM, broom. BROOM, broom. BRICKS, bricks, जिसको हम लोग ईंट बोलते हैं. ब्रूम, घर में झाड़ू लगाते हैं ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रूम. झाड़ू होता है ना उसको. BRICKS, ब्रिक्स. ब्रिक्स, ईंट जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, ईट, ईट. नेक्स्ट BRANCH, ब्रांच. BRANCH, branch. BRAIN, brain. BRAIN, brain. Next BRIDGE, bridge. Bridge. Next BREAD, braid. Braid. BREAD, braid. Next BRAND, brand. BRAND, brand. Next BRIGHT, bright. BRIGHT, bright. Now children, if you will observe one thing, in each of these vocabularies, first the beginning words, the beginning sounds are BR, br. Broom, bricks, branch, brain, bridge, braid, brand, bright. Okay, so children, there are more examples of related to br, cr, which we are going to learn. So take your phonics skill book and come to page number 2727. Yes, have you opened this page? I hope you have opened this page. Okay, now children see, BR, br, CR, cr, DR, dr sounds. Children, as I told you, see, BR, 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 CR, cr, DR, dr. Okay, now children, if you will see, we can make individual sound of this. B, r, k, r, d, r. Okay, but these are the individual sound we have created, but together it will come as an digraph. Okay, so you have to sound br, you have to sound br, kr, kr, together kr, dr, dr. Can you understand? आपको एक चीज समझ में आ रही है? ब, र, ब्र, क, र, क्र, ड, र, ड्र. ओके, A to Z हमने इंडिविजुअल साउंड्स पढ़े हैं फोनिक्स में. ओके, सो दीज आर द इंडिविजुअल, बट इफ यू विल साउंड टुगेदर, then we call it as an digraph. Okay, so in this digraph vowels and consonants words can be made up. माने consonants and vowels के vocabularies बहुत सारे हैं, okay, which we are going to learn. Now children, br, kr, dr sounds, okay, br, kr, dr sounds, okay. See, br sound, what? Together, br, and if you will see the individual sound, it will b, r, b, r, and together bra. Okay, so these are the examples. Okay, b r o w n, brown. b r o w n, brown. Br, br. Next, b r a n c h, branch, branch. b r a n c h, branch. Okay, next, b r i c k, brick, brick. b r i c k, brick, brick. Next, b r e a d, bread, bread. Next, b r i d g e, bridge, bridge. Next, b r double o m, broom. b r double o m, broom. Next, can you see this? b r u s h, brush, brush. Okay, b r o double c o l i, broccoli, broccoli. You have to join your lips together. Okay, then you are going to sound br. Okay, आपके जो lips है ना उसको join करना है, br. Then only you are going to sound it properly. Okay children, now this is the color, b r o w n, brown. This is one color. Next, b r a n c h, branch. There are two types of branch. किसी कंपनी की सेम कंपनी अगर हो तो उसको हम लोग ब्रांच बोलते हैं, एंड दिस ब्रांच पेड़ है. ओके, उसकी जो टहनी होती है, कैन यू सी दिस, एंड इफ यू विल सी, इसको लीव्स लगे हुए हैं. सो द ट्री इज देयर, वन ट्री इज देयर, और उसमें से जो टहनियाँ होती है ना जिसको लीव्स लगे हुए रहते हैं, दैट वी कॉल एज एन ब्रांच, ब्रांच. ओके, बी आर सी के, ब्रिक, ईंट. हम लोग घर बनाते हैं ना तो उसमें क्या यूज होता है, ये ईंट के यूज होते हैं. इन हिंदी वी कॉल इट ईट. नेक्स्ट, बी आर ई ए डी, ब्रेड. मैदा होता है ना, उसका एक पदार्थ होता है. ओके, उसको हम लोग ब्रेड बोलते हैं. बी आर ई ए डी, ब्रेड, ब्रेड. ओके, नेक्स्ट, बी आर आई डी जी ई, ब्रिज, पुल जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. बी आर आई डी जी ई, ब्रिज, जिसको हम लोग पुल बोलते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, बी आर डबल ओ एम, ब्रूम. कैन यू सी द झाड़ू? यस, ब्रूम. नेक्स्ट, बी आर यू एस एच, ब्रश. You brush your teeth, right? So this is a brush. What we call to that thing? Brush. Okay. Next, broccoli. B R O double C O L I. Broccoli. This is one vegetable. Okay, children. Now, children, I hope till here you understood. Okay. Now, everybody, open your book and show me these magic fingers. Yes. Show me your magic fingers. Yes, very nice. So now what you are going to do is, I am going to read this. Okay, so you have to repeat after teacher. Also teacher जहाँ पे underline करते हैं ना, you have to give the underline over there. माने आप जब study करने के लिए बैठोगे, reading के लिए बैठोगे ना, तो आपको वो ज़्यादा easy होगा. Okay, So put your finger below that each letter and listen it very carefully, sound very carefully. Okay, sound clearly. Okay, children? Yes? Fine. Now say br. First of all, repeat after me. B-R, br. 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 B-R, br. 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 Okay? Say B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. B-R-I-C-K, brick. B-R-I-C-K, brick. B-R-E-A-D, bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Okay, next B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. B-R-O-O-M, broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Next, B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. One more time. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Brown. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Branch. B-R-I-C-K, I-C-K, B-R-I-C-K, brick. Brick. B-R-E-A-D, bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. Bridge. B-R-O-O-M, broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. Okay, so children, I hope till here you understand. Okay. Now children, I hope you understand our today's content, which is br sound. Okay, br sound. I hope you understand. So now what you are going to do is you are going to practice of this vocabularies, of this sound. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Thank you.